We started very poorly. I thought defensively we were just all over the place, and we didn't give ourselves a chance to get into the game. I mean, basically the game was pretty even in every regard, except that we really gifted them 3 goals, and they scored 1 decent goal in the second half. We had 3 or 4 pretty good chances ourselves, and for the 4th game in a row, we really didn't take them. We just need to, we definitely need to start the games better than we did last night, and we need to defend better, and we need to take our chances. Well, she did score against Radford. She got the game winner in that game. No, she's looking very dangerous. She's a freshman, and you know, a couple of them, we've been playing a lot of freshmen. Rachel Moore's played a lot. Elise Branton has played a lot. So has Hayley Kent. Adrian Madej has played some, and of course Sammy's played a lot as well. And they're learning, but they are freshmen and they're going to make mistakes. But Sammy's going to do fine. Well, there's a lot that we need to stress. To be honest, we have to defend better. We've got to organise our midfield better against a mobile opponent, and we have to take the chances. We're creating really good chances, and we're just not putting them away. Well, they played well. Last season's game was kind of the same thing. We had a lot of the play. They scored midway through the first half, and we had a lot of chances and didn't take them, and then the storm threatened and the game was delayed beyond being able to play, so it ended up as a no contest. But they're going to be well organised. They play tonight against Loyola, so I'll have more of an idea how they do, being as we have a common opponent there in that Loyola played George Mason, as did we, so I'll have a little bit more of an idea after tonight.